Good morning YouTubers and welcome back to Fishing with Don BBK. And so what I'm going to do today is have a quick look at these Tokushima reels. I bought these from Bill's mail order. They were really fairly cheap. I think it was something like about 60 quid for the pair. I bought two size versions of it, and I put the size versions up on the credit part of it, and just have a quick look at what these can and can't do. Some of the bits I do like about them. I do like the way that the reel handle folds down like that just by pushing that little clip down there. The thing I don't like about it is there's an awful lot of play in that bit there. I'm actually quite worried about fishing with these. I'm actually going out barracuda fishing today in the mangroves in Cuba, and I'm just worried that these reels ain't going to be up for it, so I'm actually going to be taking a spare reel with me just in case these guys can't do it. But the line lay on these with monofilament is actually pretty good, but when you get onto the braid's not that great. So maybe because maybe the greatest quality braid, but let's take them out and see how good they are with the coolers on. Hello guys, and we're just now moved down to the harbour at Cuba, out fishing with Choo Choo for the day. Got my Tokushima reels there, paired up, one on the Savage Gear 2080, and a Catch and Blair Wiggins flat rod. Lures are going to be using the Head and Super Spook and the Head and Super Spook Junior, both in blue chrome. They're one of my favourite lures. He's going to try the Savage Gear Freestyle as his first lure of choice for the day. To see if the Super Spook can beat the Savage Gear lures. Roy's the first to catch a little cooler today. See his little friend following him in? We've got a little cooler. Nice one. Whoops. Nice one, Roy. Look at the play on that. I don't even reckon this reel's going to last the day. Roy catches the next cooler. Oh, it's a needlefish, not a cooler. Nice one, mate. Nice one. Roy catches, I'd say tangling up a little needlefish. Is that a Pachenko? Cheers, Choo Choo. Thank you. Is Choo Choo bringing out a beer? Give you a little. Catching another little cooler. Roy's just lost probably the biggest fish of the day. Was that on a Savage Gear?
Top tray.
He was actually on the way back in. We were just mogging, and Roy just left his lure over the side and we're trolling in and just caught one.
I saw one trying to take and a big flash behind me, came back for it.
He's just trolling the lure back, just monging it, and there he goes and catches one. Roy was monging it, he's always monging it. He's not got the drag tide very high, that's why it's rolling out. No, it's a good sized fish, guys, good sized fish. He's just trolling the lure back, just monging it, And there he goes and catches one.
Monging.
Roy was monging it. He's always monging it. He's not got the drag tide very high, that's why it's rolling out. No, it's a good sized fish, guys, good sized fish. That's the rod going under there.
Watch out there because it does pop off.
Nice one, Roy. Get that Shimano drag out. It's 40 kilos on that drag, isn't it?
No, 20.
20 kilos on that drag.
The worst could be on the bushwhacker.
It'd been better fun on a bushwhacker. Nice cooler, Roy, nice cooler. Is that a personal best? Oh, you're all right, mate. The Savage Gear prey just trawled behind the boat. I was just trolling the gang and he's got another one. Oh, little then. A snapper. I only got a jack. Got a jack, Roy.
Mira que bien, compadre. Ya, compadre.
Get a picture of it, mate, so you know. Just on the way back in, pulling a just a subsurface lure, just under the surface, Jinsa. Seems to be having quite a bit of fun and not easy in casting. Let's have a look at this Tokushima reel. It lasted longer than I thought, but still, look at that. That is outrageous. Look at that. Can't believe it. However, it's actually lasted longer than I thought it would do. But to be honest with you, I haven't caught anything decent with it, so I just don't know. So I'm going to have to bring this reel out again and give it another go.